Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a password strength checker. Now you'll need one or two of these modules on here. So first of all you need this read key module. So if you don't have it you can install it through sharpen. I think you might need this LWP simple module here. If you don't have that you can install that through sharpen as well. So we're going to start off. I'm going to create a save passwords array here. I'm going to create a subroutine password strength where we test the strength of the passwords. So we tell the user first of all, using the print command, enter password, and then we use chomp, create a scalar variable. Sorry, I'm ahead of myself there. We're going to use read mode, which comes from the read key module here, and we're going to type in no echo. So whatever we type in there will be hidden. And then we're going to type in chomp, my scale, I'm going to put PW password here. Okay, I'm going to assign it to standard input. So that read mode there, no echo means it won't print it. So when you type in, you won't see anything. So the user won't see the password that you've typed in. And of course, we have to do another read mode after that, and we have to say normal. So now we're back to normal again. So you can see everything else that's been typed in after that. And now we're going to do an if statement here. We're going to evaluate it. So if, we're going to evaluate the password first. So first of all, we're going to evaluate it on length. Length of the scalar password is greater than 5. Okay. And scalar password, I'm going to use the matching operator here. The scalar password is matching uppercase characters, which is going to be A to Z. We want to see if it's got uppercase characters in it. And scalar password is matching, I think we'll do lowercase characters A to Z. But we don't even need to put that in, that's redundant. But yeah, we'll do it, why not? Just for the sake of a demonstration. And scalar password is going to match. I'm going to do some special characters here. Something like that. Okay, some special characters like that. I think I'll do a percentage sign here. And scalar password matching, just finish off with some numbers. It's going to be 0 to 9. That should be alright. The problem I have with some of these regexes and that, especially the slightly longer ones, is I always make typos. Let's just bring that there, make it look a little bit better. What I tend to do these days with my regexes, instead of trying to memorize them, what I do is I get the regexes for certain operations and I just save them to a text file and type in what they do in the text file, and then I can copy and paste. So it saves me a lot of time and it saves me a lot of memorization. But for simple basic regexes, you should actually try and remember them. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to print password is strong. If the password matches all those little specs there, then it's a strong password. And we're going to push it into the array. So we do this, push, saved passwords, and scalar password. So we're going to push the password into the array there, and then we're going to print it out. Print saved passwords. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to print password is too weak. Okay, so that looks okay. Hopefully there'll be no typos in it. So I'm going to call it password strength. Okay, let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, so it says enter a password here. So let's put everything in. Let's do uppercase. And as you can see, you can't see the password because it's being hidden by this read mode no echo. Uppercase, lowercase is some numbers, special character. I think that's about it. Let's hit enter. Okay, so password is strong and it shows us the password. Okay, so I'm going to do the opposite now. I'm going to do a weak password. I'm just going to put a load of lowercase in there and just one digit. Hit enter. Password is too weak. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? There's a subscribe button below. Make sure you hit it, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.